What's up, DV? Gang, 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 gang. I wanted to make this video because I get asked so many times, Alicia, what products are you using on your hair? Or what curler iron do you use? Or what wand curl you use? And so forth and so forth. So I was like, you know what? To make things easier for everybody, I'm just going to put everything in one simple video. Now, all the products that I use on my wigs only, I do not use these products on my natural hair. The products that I use on my natural hair, I do not use on my wig. So basically, my wigs have their own wig regimen, if that makes any sense. So I got some styling tools in this little container. I have, you know, hair products from mousse to shampoos, conditioners to oils. So we're just gonna jump right into it. Only shampoo and one of the conditioners that I use on my wigs is the Rejuvenating Argan oil of Morocco, and it's the conditioner as well as the shampoo. So guys, since I've been wearing my bundles, I swear by this shampoo and this conditioner. Now another organics shampoo and conditioner that I was using, it was the Blossom ginseng one. I can't remember the exact name of it, but I believe they either discontinued that line or they just switched the name around. But these two combo, y'all, I swear by it. Now I did try the white one. The white one is the coconut milk. I tried the shampoo and conditioner because one hair vendor was like, oh, try it out, it works well for your hair. Y'all, when I say I tried that coconut milk one, my bundles felt so hard, it felt so stiff, and I was like, oh my gosh. And y'all know organics, sometimes it's not cheap. Like, it's not cheap. If you're not catching a sale, sometimes that stuff is not cheap. So once I had that experience, I've never used anything else but this shampoo and this conditioner, and I absolutely love it. I did get these from Target. With Target, you guys can always price match. Anything I get from Target, I always price match it. So whatever the online price is, if it's cheaper than the in-store price, once I get to the cash register, I will let them know, like, hey, look, I want to price match this, and they will just adjust the price, and I would get the online price. Guys, when I go into Target, I never really play full price for anything because I am always price matching. So guys, this is another organics conditioner. Now I only use this conditioner on my curly hair only because this conditioner, I love how it leaves the curls feeling rejuvenated, hydrated. It gives it a real curly bounce. And this conditioner is called the Quenching Coconut Curls Conditioner. Now guys, if you do want to try it, just be careful because, like I said, the coconut milk one does come in a white bottle just like this. But I really love this conditioner. I was kind of skeptical of trying this, but I spoke to one of my good friends, and she's Panamanian, and she just have naturally curly hair, and she says she does use this. So I was like, you know what, let me just give it a try. So I did find it on Walmart.com, and Walmart had a twin pack. So the normal price that I would pay for just two of them separate, the twin pack was much cheaper. Guys, definitely also check Walmart because Walmart always have some good items as well for a good decent price. So the next two items are mousse. So guys, if you watch my previous video on the Lotta Body Hydrate Me line, you guys will see that I did talk about this product. And if you watch how I define my curls video, you guys will see that I did use this mousse. Now I love using mousse because it also helps define the curls, and like I said, a little bit goes a long way. You do not want to use a lot of mousse because a lot of mousse will cause a lot of crunchiness, and we don't want our hair to be looking like ramen noodles, okay? Because I made that mistake. I put too much mousse and I had to like finger comb my hair to break up some of that hardness out. So guys, mousse really works when it comes to like curly hair. Now this hair that I do have in is my Malaysian curly beauty forever hair, y'all. I swear by this hair. This hair is only 2 bundles and a closure, and a 4x4 closure, guys. I only use 2 bundles and a closure to achieve this look. And to get that really wet look, I use my mousse as well as another product that is called the ORS Curls Unleashed Curl Refresher. And this, guys, this smells really good. I also use this in my how to define my curls video. And with these these 3 products, if you have curly hair or deep wave hair or water wave hair, you can definitely get that wet look that you're trying to achieve with these 3 products. Now I will leave the link up top for you guys to check it out on how I define my curls. I use 2 type of oils in my hair. The first oil that I use is the Organics Argan oil of Morocco, rejuvenating oil, and it looks like that, as well as the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. Now this oil, I mostly use this oil on my 613 hair. Now that hair is now a royal navy. If you guys did not see my watercolor video, I will leave it up top so you guys can definitely check it out. But I love how, you know, these 2 oils work. It's very lightweight. When you're using oils on like your wigs or your weaves, you want to find an oil that is very lightweight. You don't want to use a heavy oil like castor oil or anything, because it will weigh your hair down. Now a little bit of oil goes a long way if you just want to refresh your hairstyle, if you don't want your hair to look dull. An oil of your choice is always a good option. Now I only use a little small pump of oil. I rub my hands together and I section my hair off in 2, and I'll just massage the oil into my wig, and voila, my wig looks refreshed and rehydrated. Always use a lightweight oil. Do not use a heavy oil, especially if you are wearing sew-ins. You don't want to be having your sew-in in and your hair is just so oily and weighed down, because I don't know about you guys, but when I used to wear my sew-ins and, you know, I oil my scalp, sometimes after a while, you know, the oil do get on the bundles, and after a while, with the bundles rubbing against my face, I would break out. So guys, definitely choose a lightweight oil, and these are the 2 oils that I use, and I really love how they smell. And like I said, a little bit goes. The next item that I use is the Care wax stick. Now I did find this item on Amazon, because for some reason when I check my local beauty supply store, they never seem to find this item. Now with this wax stick, now as y'all know, 613 hair has a lot of flyaways. So if your wigs or if your weaves, it just don't have to be 613 hair, whether, you know, whatever color it is, if your wig or your weaves have a lot of flyaways, I'm telling you guys, this Care wax stick will tame the hell out them. It will tame them flyaways down. I'm telling y'all, it will tame the flyaways down. Now I know some people, if they don't have like any type of wax stick, they will go in, they'll use mousse and they'll tie their hair down and they'll just go about their day, or they'll just use some type of holding spray to tame the frizz, and that's just it. Next item that I'm showing you guys is some elf pressed powder. Now I did get this from Target. It runs about $1, and they also carry it in Rite Aid, and it also runs about $1 in Rite Aid as well. And this is in the shade light medium. Now I'm showing you guys this pressed powder because I do not bleach my knots. Ain't nobody got time to be bleaching no knots. I don't got time for it. So all I do is, after I finish making my wigs, I'll flip my wig inside out, and I just use I have a makeup brush that I use only for wigs only. I open it, I dab the brush on the pressed powder, and then I dab it on my lace. once I'm done doing all of that, I put my wig on my head. And if I also want to, you know, go in and add some more of the powder in my part, I take a little Q-tip and I'll dab in the middle of the part to make it look as natural as possible, because I have been down the road on trying to bleach my knots. I always over bleach them and it always come out looking a hot mess. Make things more easier and more simple, I just go in with a pressed powder. Now if you guys do want to use this pressed powder, be mindful that this is only $1, and any type of dropping, this will break. I think this is like my third one, because the other two that I had, I dropped it and it just broke. So you know, you pretty much get what you paid for. But this is what the next item I'm going to be showing you guys are my heating tools. I did get this electrical hot comb or straightening comb off of Amazon for only, I think, $11. So basically, ladies, if you want to get your closures flat as possible, I mean talking like really bone straight, flat as possible, to the point where your wig is looking like it's grown out of your scalp, use a hot comb. Use a hot comb. I feel like a hot comb gets it more flatter than a flat iron, because the flat iron you still have to part and then flat iron the hair. With the hot comb, you could just leave it, you know, you don't even have to part it. You could just go in and, you know, go like that, and bam, your closure is laid to the gods. Like, your closure is flat as possible. So my next item is a hair curler. Now I did get this hair curler from Marshall's, and this is the Hot Shot Tools brand, and I only paid, I think that was about maybe less than $20. I did a review on this curler years ago. Now I do love this curler because the tip does not get all that hot. I could just go in and I could just throw some curls in my hair, 1 2 3, using this curler. So my next item is my wand curl, and this little one is my baby. Now when I do be having in my straight hair or my body wave hair, I do be getting like little similar curls like this. Those don't be so tight. Sometimes it be a little bit looser than this, but I can achieve a similar look like this with my wand curler. Now I did get my wand curler from Target, and like I said, guys, don't forget to price match. We all about saving them coins, okay? Now I will be doing a hair tutorial on how I wand curl my hair, so definitely stay tuned for that. And my last two items are a flat iron. Now this is the Frieda flat iron, and this one is a Revlon flat iron. Sometimes when I'm trying to flat iron my wig, I notice that, you know, sometimes my wig, you know, the hair do get caught on the plates. I hate that. That's the only thing that I hate about this flat iron. But if I want to get a very bone straight, sleek, pressed out look, I will definitely use this. If I'm being too lazy and I don't want to do small sections on using this flat iron, I do go in with my Revlon flat iron. I iron my wig 1 2 3 with no problem. So guys, that is going to conclude this video on the products that I use on my wigs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys found it a little bit helpful on what you guys can use. You know, I'm a very simple type of girl. Like, my wigs don't require so much maintenance. Don't forget to like this video, share with anyone and everyone, and don't forget to comment down below, as well as don't forget to subscribe. And like I always say, don't forget to always be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.